Now, PractiCAD currently offers a few different options to differentiate what classifies as identical fittings. And these options are listed under our Ductwork libraries. What we're going to do is we're going to go into the library icon on the PractiCAD ribbon, and we're going to go into Ductwork options again. Over here under the Ductwork options, we've got it highlighted on our browser on the left. Under piece numbering, we've got two options: differentiate by special instructions and differentiate by specification. When these boxes are checked, it means that if the entities have different special instructions, they should get different piece numbers. And this one means that if two ducts have different specifications, but everything else in terms of parameters match, they should get different numbers. So what we're going to do here is we've currently got differentiate by special instructions checked. And what we're going to do is we're going to exit out, and we're going to click on these two fittings we have here. And we're going to go to the AutoCAD property box. And notice currently as you scroll down the parameters, at no point do we see the word varies in our geometry, technology, or identification parameters. We don't have the word varies, so these fittings are identical. So right now, if we come in and we go to number these with piece numbering tags, you can see that they are getting identical numbers because they're identical fittings. However, we have the option checked to differentiate by special instruction. So if we were to come down here to the identification parameters, and for just one fitting, not both, we're just going to click on one fitting on the right, we're going to change the special instruction. And we're going to switch the special instruction to the option we have on this current desktop, access door. And we're going to hit enter. Now when we do that, you can see that PractiCAD has changed and updated the drawing to make this fitting's number different from this fitting because we have the option that says differentiate by special instruction. If we were to do that with specifications, it would do the exact same thing. So now what we're going to do is we're going to come over here, we're going to uncheck access door and hit enter. That makes the fittings identical again. We're going to go back into the library ductwork options, and we're going to come over to where it says differentiate by special instruction, and this time we're going to uncheck it and do the same thing for this demonstration. We're going to hit save. We're going to come out of the ductwork libraries. We're going to click on just one fitting. We're going to go down to where it says special instruction, and we're going to add the same one we did before, access door. We're going to hit enter. However, this time when we hit enter, PractiCAD is not changing the piece number because we said do not differentiate by special instructions. So those are two options that PractiCAD has currently. I would imagine that list will continue to grow as more users make requests, but currently have those two options for identical fittings, identical fitting numbers.